Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to find the ID for Facebook business page in just 1 minute. This is just gonna be a quick video tutorial, so if you want to learn more about managing digital marketing, kindly check our YouTube channel to see more videos. Alright, so it's really easy to find the ID on your Facebook page in just 1 minute. All you have to do is open up the Facebook page and click on the About tab here. If you don't see the About tab here, we have to find the About tab. So here it is. Click on it. Then go to Page Transparency. You can scroll down to see there. And now you can see the Facebook page ID here. So that's it. The page ID plays a fundamental role in managing and identifying individual pages on Facebook, so it provides you and businesses with a reliable and unique means to access and share your pages with the world. Also, if you want to learn more about setting up, managing, growing a Facebook page, make sure to check out our Facebook page tutorial YouTube that you can see on the screen here. That's all. I hope this video helps you all. See you next time.